Today we're putting the pedal to the metal on something that's very close to every South African's heart and wallet. Yep, I'm talking about car ownership. You know, that shiny promise of independence, that I've arrived feeling when you drive your car off the lot. But here's the thing. What if that freedom is really a chain for 72 months of debt? And we're talking about interest rates that are going to make your eyes water and balloon payments that are going to sneak up on you faster than you can say, what is a balloon payment? I mean, seriously, people are spending up to a fifth of their salary on vehicle expenses just to keep that thing moving. Fuel, insurance, maintenance, loan repayments. It's like feeding a second mouth, the kind that only drinks unleaded and cries every time repo goes up. And yet we still do it. We still line up for that dream. Why? Because in South Africa, being behind the wheels says something. It says, I've arrived, even though you may have arrived with the petrol light on. But maybe it's time to ask the hard question. Is it really worth it anymore? With ride shares, even monthly rentals. Now you can even lease a car without selling your soul for 72 months. Maybe we need to rethink the wheels equal success story. So is owning a car still a milestone? Or is it a millstone around your neck? Hi, my name is Yolanda. I'm a wealth advisor. It is my goal on this platform to give you easy, actionable tips, content, and strategies that you can use to manage money well, to live abundantly, and build generational wealth. I'm the founder of this platform, Financially Fabulous Females, where I create content and financial education from a South African perspective. I'm also the founder and director of Solomon Wealth Management. We are a Durban-based boutique wealth management firm that helps South Africans all across the country get their money right. And we provide financial strategy. So if that's something that you're looking for anywhere in the country, and even expats outside South Africa, I would be happy to help you. Click the link where you're watching this video and book a complimentary appointment. So, owning a car in South Africa, let's get one thing straight. In South Africa, buying a car is not really about the car anymore. It's about the loan, the finance. It's the mountain of paperwork. That 300,000 rand car, well, you'll end up paying over 500,000. 200,000 of that will be in interest and fees. And that's not paying for the mags and the leather seats. That's pure profit for the bank, not you. But wait, there's more. Dealers love to throw in the extras. Extended warranties, tire insurance, scratch and dent. Half of it is just fluff. And they make it seem like it's an essential. Why? Because that's where the big bucks are. It's not the bucky, it's you. You are the payday. See, what they're selling is not really the vehicle. It's debt with a bow on it. Middle class folks are forking up to 30% of their salaries just to keep up. That's like 6,500 rand a month on a 25,000 rand salary. A couple of missed payments, repossessed, and here's the kicker. The car's resale value doesn't even cover what you owe. So you lose the car and keep the debt. Is that something worth doing? Just to get behind wheels. It's a raw deal. Cars lose value faster than the box lose possession in a wet scrum. After 3 years, it's worth half of what you paid for it. But the loan? That's still hanging around your neck like your in-laws during load shedding. So here's the truth. The car is the bait. The real product is the finance package. And while the dealerships are popping champagne when they meet targets, you are stuck paying for a depreciating asset that's bleeding your bank account. Well, what's the option here? We all need a car and we don't have a mountain of money to pay for one. Enter car subscriptions, which are reshaping how South Africans access vehicles, removing outdated barriers like credit scores, heavy deposits, and long-term debt. Now, full disclosure here, this video is sponsored by Flex Club. Although this is a sponsored video, I have full creative authority to do this video and give you an objective view about what I think of Flex Club versus car ownership. So Flex Club is offering a single monthly fee that covers insurance, maintenance, and licensing. Now more people can get behind the wheel without the hassle of a mountain of traditional vehicle financing. This model is perfect for freelancers, contract workers, entrepreneurs, and the bulk of our people that are still in the informal economy who still need reliable transport to keep that dream alive. Unlike rigid car loans or strict leasing, Flex Club offers flexibility, transparency, and accessibility. It's like transport on your terms. No banks, no judgments, No mountain of paperwork, no credit scores, no pay slips, no long-term risk. In a country where millions are excluded from traditional vehicle ownership due to rigorous banking laws on lending practices, Flex Club is filling that gap and opening the door to economic freedom. The future of mobility in South Africa is not about ownership. It's about accessibility, and subscriptions are key. So at a glance, when you look at Flex Club, it may seem expensive, often priced higher than traditional vehicle lending models. But for the discerning, value-driven consumer that values flexibility, that values accessibility, and cannot meet the rigorous banking criteria, Flex Club is filling the gap. Flex Club is ideal for the freelancer who works contract to contract workers and entrepreneurs who have variable income. It's ideal for the digital nomad because a digital nomad could come into South Africa, basically is very fluid how long he or she wants to stay in the country, but needs access to the vehicle, that wants to explore the city for a couple of weeks, then go explore the bush for another couple of weeks. Flex Club provides that flexibility. It's great for the person who's rebuilding their credit because you don't have to jump through the bank's credit hoops. Flex Club allows you to access the vehicle, rebuild yourself before using traditional lending models. Flex Club is great for somebody who wants cost predictability. You want to know every month this is what the price is going to be and not be dependent on an interest rate. Flex Club provides great peace of mind because for one premium, insurance is covered, maintenance is covered, licensing is covered. Know that damage liability is not. There's no long-term debt or any type of commitment risk. If you need a vehicle for a month, it's yours. Flex Club allows you to subscribe for up to 48 months. So you have control over your time period on how you want to use the vehicle. With buying, you're locked in for years and you're at the mercy of interest rates while your car loses value year after year. Subscriptions let you walk away after a month, after 2 months, after 3 months. You decide. Upgrade after a month, upgrade after 6 months, upgrade in a year. You decide. That kind of flexibility can be priceless. No credit, no problem. You don't need a massive credit score to enter the Flex Club product. You just need to have the ability to pay the subscription fee and secure a deposit. The reality is flexibility is power when you are shifting from city to city, especially the hybrid people that love the big cities but want to move to the coastline or the countryside for a period of time. There's no need for you to maintain 2 vehicles. Subscribe with Flex Club. If you want to do a true cost comparison between vehicle owning and Flex Club, you got to factor in your vehicle repayments, interest rate, insurance, maintenance, licensing. But one thing that most people are not factoring in is depreciation. You got to depreciate that vehicle to have a fair comparison with Flex Club. With Flex Club, you're not carrying depreciation risk. While Flex Club can appear to be more expensive on paper, it offers accessibility to those that are denied in the traditional lending system. It offers simplicity where you don't have to be signing your life away for the next 72 months. And it offers peace of mind, not thinking about how am I going to afford this premium in 3 months. If you can't afford it, you can return the vehicle, give yourself some breathing room and go subscribe to the vehicle again. You don't have that kind of flexibility with traditional vehicle ownership. So let's look at Flex Club. What are they offering and what price point are they offering it at? So a wide range of vehicles here. All right, I would call them economy vehicles. A lot of Eastern vehicles, a couple of Polos in between. There's a Kia here. So big range available. There's a Haval, there's a Staria, Fortuna, and you can see what the prices are like. So let's see. Okay, I have 3 kids, right? So I need a little bit of space. So we have a Suzuki Kia. You can check out those pictures. You can see the features of the vehicle. You can see the fuel consumption, seats, doors, body shape of the vehicle, fuel, and the transmission. Right, lots of information here. Tells you everything that you need to know. The mileage, excess mileage, what you can do, the base plan, 10,500 Rand a month. Additional mileage at 3,300. All right. So this would cost me a total for the month of 13,800 rand. Right. A once-off refundable deposit of 14,000 rand. That's not bad. Great for somebody that's in the informal economy. You can choose how long you want the vehicle for. Up to 48 months. Right. And you can just lock in this pricing. Return the car when you don't need it. So if you want that flexibility, you know you got a good contract. Next 5 months, I need to go see clients. I need to go to a certain project. I need to do this, need to do that. Use a car for 5 months. Yes, you are paying a little bit more, but remember, that's the price you pay for flexibility. So go and check out Flex Club, link in the description, and see what your next ride could be.